Hi there, Mr. Pro. You clearly have a lot on your hands. I just need 1 minute. Imagine hand tools and workshop equipment that is truly innovative, which superbly optimizes the extraction and installation of spare parts. Tools co-developed by a leading OE provider for the majority of global vehicle manufacturers, including cars and trucks. Manufactured in collaboration with an over 155-year-old company that creates reliable, innovative, and durable tools. Their shared philosophy? If it's not perfect, it's work in progress. You're a pro who values perfection, and all your repairs earn you a reputation, right? Now ask yourself, in a perfect world, which is the best tool to install or remove a spare part? The one created together with the company that made that same spare part, right? Exactly. Your client places something valuable in one hand. Take care of it with what we put in the other hand. SKF and HAZET, a perfect match.